Imagine holding a device that feels like the future, right in the palm of your hand. This is not just another smartphone. This is the Samsung Galaxy A73, a masterpiece that blends elegance, performance, and innovation into one extraordinary package. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you'll know this isn't just technology, this is an experience designed to captivate you. The Galaxy A73 stands tall with its premium design. Sleek, slim, and elegant, it carries the aura of a flagship while keeping its identity as a phone made for everyone. The soft matte finish, the polished edges, and the perfectly balanced weight make it feel as though it was crafted just for your hand. Every detail has been refined, every line carefully drawn, making this phone not just a gadget, but a style statement you'll love to carry everywhere. Now, let's talk about the heart of your smartphone experience, the display. Samsung has given the A73 a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display, and trust me, once you see it, there's no going back. Colors pop with life, blacks are deep and rich, and every single frame feels cinematic. Whether you're watching your favorite movie, playing an intense game, or simply scrolling through social media, the A73 makes everything look stunning. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, the smoothness is on another level, it's like watching the world in motion without a single stutter. But beauty is nothing without brains, right? Inside, the Galaxy A73 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. That means blazing fast performance, effortless multitasking, and gaming that feels like pure magic. Apps open in a flash, transitions are buttery smooth, and even the heaviest games run like a dream. Pair that with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, and you've got a phone that's built to keep up with your lifestyle, no limits, no compromises. And then comes the feature that makes the A73 truly shine, the camera system. Samsung has packed in a 108 megapixels main camera, and this is not just about numbers. This camera captures reality the way your eyes see it, crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. Whether it's daylight, low light, or even night photography, the Galaxy A73 delivers images that will blow your mind.